We are for crown, she'll scream out, she'll love you, make a next man again. Whenever they worry and time.
So you're gonna get power chain just on the top today. We're gonna change away your elastics.
And it tastes good. Me and worry about the teeth. What we do today? Hey.
US President Donald Trump reacting to a massive.
Good morning, cuties. Good morning, newbies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is KN2Cute. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a video, okay? Yeah. What's going on, guys? I don't know. The flu is just back. We go a river yesterday, come off of the river, and then I don't know if maybe that, maybe the flu never gone yet, and me go a river and messed up back. But I'm here, I'm chilling, I'm going to work. I wish I didn't have to go to work today. That all need for fix. So that one of them days, you know. Though I'm not in the mood today. And it's so hot outside. So hot. Cuties, today when I go home, I'm going to look for my mic. I'm going to on my mic. Because I don't think the mic lasts. I really don't think. I remember. I think the last time I have it when we got a party that they too dark. Jesus Christ, God. I don't know, babe. I don't know. I don't have no idea. But I have to find that mic. Oh my God, them water, yeah? Oh, how them get the water for feel like soda like that? Oh, sizzle. But anyway, when I have nothing for say, I don't know why I'm turn on the camera. I don't have no idea. But just like for showing me. Hi. Yes, soon when I come off work, I really have nothing to do or nothing to say. I found my mic. I found my mic. Guess what the mic today? You know the car? In my car, underneath the car seat. I come home this evening, I'm tearing the whole house. Until I find it. Connect. I'll put it back. Try a different one. I'm not gonna be today. There you go. Much better. But anyway, cuties, good evening, my lovely, beautiful people. I am home and I just get 2 fish. I'm going to show you the fish then because I don't know what them take me for. I'm a chef, but I'm not bad, so I don't think I'm bad, so I'm going to get that light here because why? Why? That bad, man. Say, the people them rate me. Can I send me a big chef? Because where? Ooh, they expect. Who them expect to cook them big ass fish? Just take a good look. I can't even lift up this. Look at this. Who cook this? That's crazy. Oh my god. And it's not one. Oh my god, these are heavy. It is two. I don't know what to do with them. This is a lot. I'm excited though. I'm excited. I'm gonna slice them up. Maybe browns through them. I mean, no, we say we're not putting no more cook video in the video there, but guess what? That hurts. That hurt a lot. No, we say we're not putting no more cook video, but it's because I'm not going to video it by itself. And maybe I should. Yeah. Never video it by itself. That's a lot of content, baby. That's a lot of content. No, I want fish video ready for God. I'm not going to do it by itself. I'm going to add it to the video, but I'm just not going to make it long. But that's how I'm showing how I do the fish alone. Basically, I'm not showing me I cook the dumpling and a banana. And then something, I don't know that already. So I'm just showing how I cut them here. And how I cook them. Because I already know to season them too. But I am going to make a short. So let me get to this. Okay, cuties, so this is how I'm gonna cut these things. And don't even clean it. What work is not heavy. A lot of work, man. So cuties, what may I think, right? I'm thinking to just like cut them like sliced fish. I'm gonna leave this in because I know my mother. I got obsessed with this. So I'm gonna leave the head like that. And then the rest of them, I just cut them like some sliced fish. Wanna see all the fish I beat my bad? No, man.
I figure I look for me every minute to turn your head, yes, the way it's supposed to do.
So guys, I'm gonna wash it with, I don't know fish wash already, but I'm telling you. I'm gonna make them nice over the stuff. Y'all can't see nothing. But that's a black on the saw. Alright, cuties. This is what the fish is looking like. Everything clean, well seasoned, smell good, look good. Alright, so now I'm gonna go outside, go fry them. Only know me not fry fish inside the house. So I'm gonna go outside, fry them, and then come back. I'm not carrying out there. Because I don't know how fish fry already. I remember we not try to make the video too long. So I'm gonna fry them and then I'll come back and show you what is what. If you don't know for fry fish, go watch back one of my old video with my fry fish. But no frying a fish, now go another one here. Alright, babies. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay? Alright, cuties. So, meanwhile, the fish them are fry, right? But just cut up all of my seasoning them. We have some carrot over here, so with my julienne. And all of the bell pepper them. You already know. I'm like my pot colorful. So, I have all of the sweet pepper them right here, so. I have onion, tomato, and scallion thyme and hot pepper. I have one more just in case it's not hot enough. Yeah, so that is that. And I have that little bit of season here, leave off with me a season. I'm gonna put it in the sauce. But I'm gonna show you how I do the sauce though. Okay, cuties. Sorry about the noise in the back, me wash. But this is the finished fried fish them. Now I'm gonna show you how I make my sauce, okay? Alright, let's get it. Now that can stay in the fridge and freeze up. Crazy. So guys, this is garlic, and then we have the green seasoning, and then we have ketchup, pimento, the seasoning from earlier, barbecue sauce, the sweet spicy sauce is very good. And we're just gonna mix all of this together. Then we're gonna pour hot water on it, okay? Hot water. Too pretty for your link with the waist, man. Send your location. Come on. Oh my God, someone is behind me. Hey cuties, hey newbies, welcome back to the vlog. Where am I going? Albany, that way. So, I'm a regular coffee girl now, okay? Talk to me. I just got me some coffee. I am heading to my... Oh, come on, give me a chance. Give me a chance. Give me a chance, please. Can you please just come on, man? Jesus.
Turn right onto Albany Avenue, then sharp left onto Main Street.
Anyway,
In 800
cuties.
feet, turn right onto Belden Street.
So,
At the
I
light,
just got...
turn right onto Belden Street.
Jesus. Road close to backside.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Main
Something can
Street.
go, sir? Something can go, sir? You don't know, sir, the road closed? I'm upon one way now, you know, one way. Oh, swear to God, bro.
At the light, turn left onto Belden Street.
Still telling me to turn left on the road. Big work going on this, so.
Continue on Albany Avenue for half a mile.
Cuties, me soon come back too now. So, just give me a minute, please. Let me sort this out. I hate this hat. But the head no look good at all. I'm gonna try to see. Oh, don't scratch it. Don't scratch it. I'm gonna try to see if I could get it like wash and what do they call that? Silk press and cut today. So anyway, we reached, but we're a little bit early. So we're gonna eat. Ooh, let me take a picture of this so I can get like a thumbnail.
Yeah, sometimes that hat just ain't it. But I get you. If the hair underneath not cooperating.
Ain't nobody talking to you, baby. Nobody's talking to you. That's my chat GPT. Always in my business. Anyway, I'm gonna take a picture of them here and then come right back. The ear itch me. Dirty. But I'm gonna try to get it done today because today is Tanya's birthday. Well, 2 days ago was our birthday, but today I work. So today is the day where we probably have a little drinky. So we're kind of early. What the heck was that? This is a lot of crap. Huh? Hold on a minute. And sanitizer done. Guys, this is really good. I'm not even gonna lie. This is really good. It got 3 caramel swirl, 5 sugar, 4 cream, cold foam, and it's enough foam, so I don't know where the foam there. But I'm trying to figure out what is it at the bottom, because me a mix and it now come up. Or me a mix it now move, but it look way browner than the rest of the coffee. But it tastes so sweet and so nice. Maybe them all them sugar are not good for me right now. And of course, that is the what they call it, avocado toast. Toffee, man. Mm. Mm-mm. 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 No, me love. Mm-mm. 3 o'clock. This not good. To make it get cold or what? What's actually happening here? I don't get it. Okay. Rubber. Mm-mm. Me for it. Me pay me just 320. I'm not checking yet. Mm. This very disappointed. Very. Okay. Mm. Oh my God! Ain't no way. That don't work my calories at all. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go clean them teeth here. Let's go. Me I do want to come. I don't want to montage situation, but what they call it, B-roll. I love doing that, but it takes a lot of time. Cause you have to go back and forth for the camera, but I love it. I was gonna do one, but hope they look full. I'm kind of shy. My love. Hope they look too full. So we're not gonna do that today. Can't believe they look rotten bread. So, hey boo. I'm good. You? Oh. Hey.
Hi, how are
Hi.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Kadisha East.
Huh.
Got it?
Girl,
He went to the bathroom.
it's been a day. Yeah, I'll check you in, okay? You're all set.
All right,
Sorry
thank you.
about that.
I'm still vexed. What a dry birthday. I was really looking forward to it. I think maybe it could get cold. I think that's what happened. I'm gonna give it another chance. But I'm gonna buy it and then eat it right away. I don't know if you ever do me before, but I vlog, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
It went out?
can just,
But Tyler's out.
I can just stick it up.
Nope. Love me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dancing. Okay. Who is that? Hey. There.
Have a fun bracelet. Right?
We were waiting over blocking off the database. We found something.
Did he change anything?
So yeah, we're gonna change the way that you're tied in today. We're also gonna change your elastics. So you're gonna get power chain just on the top today. We're gonna change the way your elastics are, just to help with your bite a little bit more. But the wire, you're in a pretty thick wire, so we probably won't change it for maybe another visit, but
Go just to the 5s in the top. The 6 to 6 on the bottom. Because I want the bottom to kind of retract a little bit more.
pizza single. You want PC on the bottom too?
Yeah, 6 to 6 on the bottom, and then 5 to 5 on the top.
So we're gonna give you chain on the bottom. And that's gonna help to pull the teeth back.
Okay. This light, crazy. I don't know if I like coffee no more. Hey. Why? Maybe that's something that make the car smell like crap, man. Smell like rotten foot in here. Oh my god. There's not a bit. Oh, ooh, this car is actually pretty. Yes. Oh my god, I tell you. This is the tightest my mouth ever feel. Because they now put the chain, instead of the individual elastic, they put a chain one so that the, which part I take out the teeth them can actually close up. Let me see the pressure in my mouth right now, the pressure is in there. So I'm gonna look too pale because nothing, let me say, nothing now stop the flow tonight. Okay? Your girl's going out. Me I talk about me I go, you see how me excited and on my birthday? That me I talk about. When you love drink. When you love road, that them something that happen. Love road bad. Me never call Tanya and find out where she depend yet. But they all get all excited and be things. But you know what me feel like, say? Whether or Another little house rock they are going to do tonight.
Every party in LA. 'Cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd be in one. I know the suit is common. You feel regret. You got me thinking about where you are. What you expect? That you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I know from the start. You just making sure I'm never getting over you.
To slap sanctions on Moscow.
Okay.
Who was Mohammed Sinwar? The Hamas chief Israel says it killed.
My face is
It's Thursday, May
mess.
29th. This
Anyway,
is
we'll
Reuters
go
World
on.
News, bringing you
In New Jersey.
A side part in our work at all at all.
ChatGPT Plus is free for college students through May. Here's the thing.
Anyway,
You've got a
cuties.
lot to do between
That
now
is
and
it.
then. Study
Later.
for finals, right?
She said, when you're there,
I'm missing you. How your voice know up me there, yeah, I listen you.
girl, listen.
Betty Boo.
Girl, I'm off it
Up in a yavu, oh oh. Ah ah.
You don't have to.
Wind up yourself.
You don't have to. Wind up yourself.
I mean, I want a man with every girl fuck already.
I don't wanna need your money.
All type of girl. Plan your funeral, call me toxic. I wish you one honeymoon or stick.
A real top girl, I want her.
Lose such a good man for your one night stand.
You can.
A piece of my favorite song before we go. Ah ah.
Tired that the boring thing was so excitement. In my brain, my bow from 54. Yeah, but I'm in the worry.
Must have white
Fucking
food.
fit bills.
So my boots are for the backers and
Just was on love, no. But don't fall in
love no.
but don't fall in love, no.
Rose milk when we are fuck grown.
She's screaming, she'll come low. Yes, she's
Yeah.
next man I get no breaks. Tell me,
Yeah.
you back it up.
Yeah, mother.
Pick it up, she come for the fuck.
Go with the worrying and talking fit. Alright, we're done. Okay, cuties. So it's jewelry from Amazon. Literally, all the jewelry I'm wearing is from Amazon, and my outfit is from Fashion Nova. I've had the two-piece forever. I wait for it to fit me, just to fit me. This just show me how me get big. Shoes is from Burlington. I don't even know how long I have this shoes here, but I got it from Burlington a couple of years ago. And yeah, that's the look. Real cute, real nice. I'm about to go pick up Tanya and pray for me because I'm going to do highway, and that's where we're going tonight. Oh, I may carry the bag here. Y'all know where I get this from, right? Alright, let's go. Let me get this. Tim, I'm out. You see how me can say Tim, me I leave? How simple it was, you can do it too, okay? Alright, cuties. Let's get going. I got my keys. Turn off the light for me and put it up here. Plug it out and put it back in the corner yourself. I'm over here quietly away from Tanya. I never know say girl away from me. Why I tell you tonight driving? Hey. It is a dark at midnight. I let them dark situation, you know. Girl, you're looking fabulous. Fabulous. I want to see her because she looks too cute.
Oh, I'm cutting behind this phone. Oh. You can pass in, sir.
No, okay, I want to reach.
I want to reach.
I want to see her now. See her? I can't see her. I don't have to see her, man. She's too pretty for me to see her. Yes.
Hi, cuties.
When we reach me short.
Hey, cuties. We gonna drink.
Get drunk.
We gonna get tipsy.
Gonna get fucked up.
Where?
50 where?
Where is show me 50?
Where?
Show me. Where? Show me 50.
Yeah.
Show me 50.
I can't.
Hi.
And it tastes good. Me worry about the teeth. Let me do it today. Oh my God! Please. Oh.
Tender.
There you go, baby. Thank you. Yeah. Happy birthday. May you live to see many more.
Many more.
Yeah. It is good. Cuties may struggle.
Tomato on top. What is that on top?
This onion, purple onion.
I'll get 2 of those working food menus tonight as well.
Yeah. Bumbo. This feel tough. Hey. Not bad.
With him, Pop Smoke, the one running the song. For the song. But one video, because you got any party, the brother for the mother song, you know? You know the That's the same Papa roll it up. My Papa roll like my girl.
See, there are one of the people that must think again.
What more you wear here, boy?
Light triple six.
You have to put here and cover it up.
So, like, you're just up today.
Make it out okay for y'all?
Great, thank you.
Cheers, enjoy, you're welcome.
So Cuties, my day here are clean. Only forget a message from my phone. When I go in a YouTube studio, YouTube remove me the video. Say nudity and all that bullshit. Which part of my video nudity today? I tell you, it's like I don't understand YouTube with my body. It's like I'll see a skinny bitch on here in nothing but our nipple alone cover and one little piece of something cover our front, so, and G-string up in our body, string, everything is a string. But the moment me even try put on a bad suit, make my leg a show too much. Moreover, make my breasts or something that show too much, and YouTube always flag my video them. Even my video would be in the dress, the black dress, I used to just my cleavage, just so YouTube say can't monetize because it have nudity in it. And when me dispute it, them say nudity is in it. Why right this at the video? Just my freaking chest a show. Me no understand it, and no matter how I read up on the policy them, me not see nothing in it say big body girl not for wear freaking, I don't know. I just can't bother sometimes. And that video was doing so good. That video was doing so freaking good. And YouTube, I put up the video from yesterday. From yesterday, the video up on it today. Now a while ago, YouTube, I go ban it. And matter of fact, them remove it. I mean, me not get a copyright strike because them gonna say it's the first time something like that or some crap, which is not the first time, so I don't know what they're talking about. Because them strike me already for the same thing. Like couple times, well, them tell me say my video can't monetize because nudity. But yet still, everybody is out here naked. Like what? Like what is the difference? It's crazy. I know me dispute this. I'm waiting to see what the they're gonna say because I'm sure nothing in my video. First of all, me in the green dress. I made a shorts in that green dress and it got monetized. More things are show in the shorts. One little snap me do at the party and they're gonna say that's nudity. So how you monetize the shorts and not the I see them the only tell me say it copyright and leave it alone, so me would then get the watch time from it and me then get the commercial and everything from it. No, me wouldn't get the commercial, they won't monetize it, but me then get the watch time because it did get views. But no, they took it down. They literally took that shit down. See there? They removed that shit. Gone. So I don't know if it's gonna come back. I don't know. Me dispute it. I'm waiting for them to tell me. Maybe me take it down. It wouldn't even make sense. Would it make sense me take it down, remove that and put it back? Would that make sense? Because you don't watch the video already. We're not gonna watch it again. So that Ah! I can't bother. I'm not post it back, you know. I'm not posting that shit back. I'm just telling you, that same vlog here. Me I telling you, say me not like that. Me not like that. Me not like that. Damn girl, where you at? Looking this sexy. Do y'all see this? This is my daughter in Miami. This is what I'm talking about. These kitty bitches can wear anything they want. That's crazy. Out in Miami looking pretty and thing. Looking smashy. Anyway, last night was crazy. If you ever see all my cousin do my living room, I can't show you that. I can't show you. It have my anxiety going. I can't stay in this house. Oh, this is so cute. It says, hey, too cute. I'm one of your supporters from YouTube under the name Shantae's Prize. I hope I'm saying that right. Shantae's Prize 417. I love your perfume haul. Which one would you recommend me to get? Cutie, if you're asking me for a recommendation, I will definitely say, let me get it. Okay, Cutie, so this would be a good one. Very, very good. Very good. Love it. My go-to perfume all the time if I'm gonna pick one. This is also a bomb ass cologne. This Valentina, oh my god, this is so good, so good. This is always a go-to. Oh my, I'm gonna put this in our number one. This is it's from Lancôme. It's this one. It's the orange perfume. They got like a lot of them. Yeah, it's not the latest one right now, but it is the best to me. Okay, the buckle of some grit on it. Best, so good. But if I'm gonna pick one top cologne, this Prada right here. Yeah, as you can see, it almost done. I'm literally buy this cologne so often. As it done, me get it back. Me no sleep on this, none at all. Best one. Yeah, so those would be my top for you to get that in. Even though I'm gonna send you a message, but yeah. Anyway, cuties, let's say as we there, so I take off my shoes last night for wear it. Don't watch over this, so let me see me clean. Me clean the house. So I take out my shoes last night for wear it, right? I remember if you see me do one haul where somebody bought me these. That was like maybe 3 months now when we just come from Jamaica. Yeah, that was like in January, February. I did that haul. And I was so excited about the shoes. I have the shoes put on last night. I don't go wear it with the suit I wear last night. When I go to me, I said, oh, the shoes they look so small. When I'm looking at the shoes, no size 6. Who for foot one size 6 I go upon? Size 6 UK. We don't know what that. Yeah. Europe 39. 39? 39? UK size 6. US 6.5. You can't believe, and this can't go back now, you know. I didn't try it on because I know I tell the person say I wear size 8 in the sneakers. 8. How you get size? This ain't no going back. I forgot to save this and carry this in my knees. This no make no sense. I can't believe it. I said I did that on. I may look outfit for the shoes, you know. Oh God, I'm waiting on YouTube to email me back and tell me what going on with my video. That my mood is all over the place right now. I'll talk to y'all later, guys. Bye. Y'all see this? Fun load your frig. Anyway, cuties, I am going out. For some reason, I don't know my camera ready. It don't last. I don't know, be like, yeah, the key see it not last. Probably left in the car. From me and Tanya go out the other night. I no vlog from them. I spray the cologne and mess this up. So I know what y'all are thinking. Kayan, where are you gonna let that again? Connecticut cool like ice. Okay? So I still leather season in a Connecticut. So I got this cute little 2-piece. But right, because I just go for drink, I want to dress it down, but I'm not too sure. So I wonder if the coach slippers and the coach bag would be a cute little dress down. Feet. Because it is black. I was thinking of just wearing full black, but I want to know what y'all think. Hold on. Let me take this thing off because my ride is on the way. I'm not ready yet. Crazy. Why is my freaking nipple them so high? But I don't want to go have a love. But I know. Put it a little out-ish. Like we're too close, man. Fine, I'm at. So for my ear, I just brush it out, oil it. And show me the other basement the other night, I said the head stink. Alright, come and show no vibes. Alright, so this is the vibe for the outfit. So it's 2-piece from Fashion Nova, you know, the one with the type on the foot. Yeah, so I'm thinking this, right? It's pretty cute by itself. But to dress it down, I'm thinking the bag and the slippers. What do you think? I don't know. This, I don't know if it's blurry, but something alright. I think it's cute, but then again, I don't, because if when me I wear black, I just go full black. But let me say something new, okay? So let me know what y'all think about these two together, even though I know it's a bit too late because I'm wearing it. I think I'm gonna have to fold this to get the 2-piece illusion, because if not and it locked together, then it don't look good. Okay, so I'm gonna wear it with the jacket and the bag. Full of look, see. I think it worked. I think it worked. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment. One thing. I don't even know if I carry on with me, cause I don't know where we're going. Music. I don't know. I'll probably carry you guys. Okay, yes, I'm gonna take you guys. I'm taking y'all, okay? Okay. That Jamaican song I played.